Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's a super exciting day because it is my first time baking in my new kitchen. I just uploaded a new apartment tour video on my channel, so if you missed that video, make sure to go check it out. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching in just less than a week or so. So I wanted to show you guys a super simple vegan sugar cookie recipe, and I also wanted to show you guys a simple way to decorate your cookies to make them look extra elegant and fancy. If you are new to the channel and if you'd like to show some support, simply hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That basically lets you know whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get baking. For this recipe, you need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of flax, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup vegan butter, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of water, and some cookie icing of your choice. So the first step to making our vegan sugar cookies is to combine our water and flax. Want to just let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it comes together. Once you set your flax and water aside to come together for a few minutes, you then want to incorporate all of your dry ingredients into a medium bowl. You first want to add your baking powder and your salt and just whisk it until it's all incorporated. Now that everything is set aside, we now want to blend together our sugar and vegan butter. You just want to mix this together for a few minutes until it becomes nice and fluffy. So after about 10 minutes, your flax and water should look something like this, a little bit gelatinous in texture. So now it is time to put all of our ingredients together. So first you want to start by adding your vanilla extract into your vegan butter mixture. Then you want to just lightly blend it until it comes together. Then you want to add in your flax and water combination. Mix that through once again. And last but not least, you want to incorporate all of your flour and just whisk it through until well blended together. Vegan sugar cookies taste absolutely amazing, and they taste just like average sugar cookie. The only difference is this is made with vegan butter instead of regular butter, and it contains flax seeds instead of eggs. Alright, so the next step is to place this into the fridge after we cover it with some plastic wrap. And we're going to place it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill. Alrighty, so our cookie dough is nice and chilled. It's been in the fridge for half an hour, and now it's time to roll it out. So first you want to place some flour onto your work surface, and then you can plop your cookie dough right on top. And then you want to roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Once your cookie dough is all rolled out, you want to begin cutting out your cookies using your heart-shaped cookie cutter. Be careful as you place these cookies onto your baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper or foil, as these are very soft, so make sure you use a bench scraper or something else to help lift the cookies. So once your cookies are all set, you want to place them back into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to chill again. This is going to prevent the cookies from spreading. You also want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So the cookies have chilled in the fridge for 15 minutes, and now it is time to place them into your 350 degree preheated oven. These are going to bake for a good 8 to 10 minutes. So the cookies have finished baking in the oven. They're nice and soft, and now it is time to decorate. So the first step to decorating our cookies is to create a border. So you basically want to take one of your cookie icings and make a little border around your cookie. Then you want to go ahead and flood, which basically means filling in your cookie. And you can see that when you flood, it sort of magically just comes together. Before the first layer of icing sets, you want to go ahead and add some dots around the outside of your cookie. And once you have all of your dots around your cookie, then moving quickly, you want to use a toothpick. Just run it through the center of each of your circles. We are all done with our Valentine's Day sugar cookies that are completely vegan as well. These cookies are super soft, nice and buttery, and they melt in your mouth. I hope that you guys definitely give these cookies a try, and my chickens are all telling you guys happy Valentine's Day. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a big thumbs up. If you'd like to show some support, simply hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new baking video. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you in the next episode. These cookies are amazing. They taste just like a normal sugar cookie. I like it. Bye!